ink ever mark up the land, before iron divide field from field, the first drum buried truth in the soil, and now the heartbeat rise again. Morning mist rest on the mountain stone, old cedar bend, but it never lose bone. Footmark high where the wild grass grow, yet the earth still know where the elders did go. From Cane Peace Park to the riverbank side, them leave courage where no chain could hide. We press one ear to the red dirt wall, through root and thunder we hear ancestor call. Ancestor call, we answer today. Old drum guide we along the way. Bloodline strong, true rise and fall. Stand firm when the ancestor call. hidden beneath the ground still have a heartbeat. Skin stretch in a early daylight, elder and wake it with a rhythm precise. One beat carry sorrow from the plantation gate. Next beat tell the picnic them fi master them faith. Book leave blank where the struggle begin, but the fun they keep account of the loss and the win. When false history dress in a royal splendor would speak truth, because the drum member. Drum member what them hide away. Beat the truth till it see daylight. Drum member every stolen name. Fire and faith still remain. Still remain. It member be a foot on the cane field track. Heavy load forward, cruel harder behind back. It member the prayer under tamarind shade, and every secret promise the ancestors made. It know which river wash the wounded and which brave heart refuse every wicked command. Though years roll on and the faces surrender, the pulse stay firm, because the drum member. Drum member when the page tell lie, send the message through the mountain high. Drum member every stolen name, roots of freedom still remain. Still remain. Hear it roll through the zinc groove lane, turn buried grief into power again. Young hands learn what the old hands knew. Every sacred pattern carries something true. No museum glass can imprison the sound. It traveled through village and trembling ground. From parish to parish, from January to December, the truth keep moving, because the drum member. Get to speak sharp, funny and sallow. Bass drum open where the deep roots grow. No chain can silence, no ruler can sever the living rhythm that joins we together. No Brother Nahum stand beside the flame, calling every lost and forgotten name. Mystic Elite send the harmony wide, like ancestral voices moving with the tide. We beat for justice, not vengeance or pride. We beat so the truth have nowhere to hide. When tomorrow asks what happened before, the drum shall answer from the heart of the poor. Drum member make the whole world know truth of roots underneath the soil. Drum member and we shall declare what them tried to bury, still living here. Skin, hood and spirit, history breathe through the rhythm. Drum member. Drum member. We never begin with empty hands. Every generation leaves something behind. A seed, a warning, a prayer, a strength no hardship could remove. Me mother carry sunrise in a weary eye. Still she find courage when the well run dry. Me father shape hope from a splintered board. Never own riches, but him honor was gold. Them teach with patience beside the cooking flame. Hope you walk upright without chasing fame. Though the road get narrow and the nights grow long, we inherit endurance, the bloodline strong. Bloodline strong through pressure and pain. Deep roots rise after every hard rain. What them pass down keep we moving on. Heart never weak, bloodline strong. Grandmother save seed in a calabash bowl. Said tomorrow's harvest need a careful soul. Grandfather mend fence under afternoon heat with an old time him keeping time in him feet. No palace wall ever shelter them head, but hungry neighbors always leave them yard fed. Them wealth was wisdom, them treasure was song. No we live in a we, the bloodline strong. Bloodline strong when the cold wind blow. Like hidden water where the dry roots grow. Every sacrifice keep we moving on. Fear never break, bloodline strong. No pride over another man's name. Every righteous family have a sacred flame. Different branches reaching out through the sky. Same earth feed them when the season turn dry. So we honor each story, every struggle them face. Every tongue, every village, every gathering place. Unity grow when respect belong. Many roots together make the forest strong. Name after name in a memory remain. Not carved in marble but alive in we veins. The past is a lantern, not a chain pound we feet. It show where we stumble and where roads meet. Now the young ones gather where the breadfruit sway. Learning why the elders choose the harder way. Brother Nahum sing while the brass rise slow. Mystic Elite make the family chorus grow. We build for tomorrow with the truth them give. Turning heritage courage into choices brave. No force can erase where the spirit come from. We stand as one and the bloodline strong. Bloodline strong, let the whole earth know. Deep root soul when the rough winds blow. From those before to the child unborn, we carry the light. Bloodline strong. Long before machines start carry every message, wisdom travel from mouth to ear. Under shade tree, beside cooking fire. True people who survive what books never record. Under Naziberry shade where the cool breeze pass, three elders sit with their memory vast. Palm full of labor, face marked by years. Them know drought season and the price of tears. Them talk about hunger strike and broken law. How smiling officials hide a sharpened claw. Young feet pause when experience start. Everywhere that sentence carry way to the heart. When elders talk, lower your soul. Holy pa journey in a grow promise from a politician grin. Feel storm approaching before cloud rolling. Them know which neighbor will divide him last bread, and which proud companion disappear when hope dead. Them learn that hunger can darken good sight, and victory empty when the purpose not right. Every scar on them man is a chapter untold, more precious than silver, more useful than gold. When elders talk, give them some room. Them survive flood, water, famine and gloom. Test every word, keep truth as your mark, but never ignore when the elders talk. Wisdom is no throne where a person cannot fail. Some ancient thinking must be left on the trail. Respect is not blindness or surrendering choice. Even youth carry truth in a them rising voice. So old and young must reason together. Fresh eyes and experience can strengthen each other. One bring division, one know the cost. Joined in understanding, fewer souls get lost. No shouting contest, no battle fi fail. Sit with humility and reason plain. The river move forward, yet remember its source. Knowledge and conscience must travel one course. Brother Nahum rise when the daylight in. Mystic Elite, let the harmony begin. Them sing for the grandmother guarding her seed, and the village teacher serving every child's need. Let the next generation ask, listen and learn, then build something better from each lesson learned. When confusion spread and false vices talk, truth stand clearer when the generations talk. When elders talk, let respect draw near. Weigh every message with a conscience clear. All roots and young leaves strengthen one stalk. Wisdom lives when the generations talk. Listen deeply, question wisely, carry forward what is true. Them cut branch, scatter leaf, and call the tree finished. But beneath every footprint, the root still wait upon rain. Them fence off the field where we foreparents sow. Change every sign so the young wouldn't know. Them mock with language and condemn with drum. Expect one generation to forget where them come from. But memory hide in a seasoned pot, in proverb and craft and the family plot. When first rain fall after hardship spread, green shoot answer, because roots can't dead. Roots can't dead no matter where them say. First little rain bring green back again. Buried in a darkness, still life move ahead. Bend them, bruise them, roots can't dead. Them silence the gathering and scatter the crowd. Yet one humble heartbeat keeps sounding aloud. Old melody travel through market and lane, return through the children like familiar rain. A grandmother's recipe, a carpenter's skill, a sacred remembrance on a faraway hill. Culture find pathways where fear cannot tread, for truth of fiber and roots can't dead. Roots can't dead when the season turn dry. Them hold to the earth till the storm pass by. Take every branch, new leaves shall spread. Pressure cannot conquer. Roots can't dead. Some cross cold water seeking work and bread, carrying home in the thoughts of them head. New streets surround them, strange wind tableau. Still them teach the picnic how the old rhythms go. Not trapped in a yesterday, not frightened by change. Roots give direction when the world feels strange. Tradition must breathe, not remain locked instead. It grows with the people, because roots can't dead. Bass drum strike where the deep roots wind. Petty weight memory buried by time. No axe can reach every fiber below. Give truth some water and watch culture grow. Brother Nahum step with him and Panama. Mystic Elite make you step as rhythm star. No borrowed identity, no mask on we face. We carry we history with dignity and grace. Let every young voice add a verse of them own, while knowing the soil where the first seed was sown. From ancestral ground to the years still ahead, we culture shall live, because roots can't dead. Roots can't dead, let the whole world hear. Them rise through neglect, through pressure and fear. Generation to generation, the living word spread. Roots still breathing, roots can't dead. Branch, rain shall reveal what still lives underneath. Stone have no tongue, yet pressure leave marks upon it. Long after witnesses depart, the ground still carry what happened. River stone smooth from 1,000-year flow. Watch bare feet pass where the tall reeds grow. Foundation block beneath the old estate. Feel every burden entering through the gate. Courtyard step, hold the heel mark deep, where mothers once waited while them children sleep. No pen write down what the poor endure, but earth keep evidence and the stone bear word. History remains, and the stone bear word. White lime spread over the crackyard wall, trying to cover every stain and fall. New owner arrived with a polished name, but the bricks still warm from an earlier flame. Hammer can break them and scatter them wide, yet each small fragment keep a mark inside. What power call rumor, the land has heard. Under moss and dust, every stone bear word. Stone bear word. When the records disappear, stone built prison, some stone built school. Some mark the resting place of farmer and fool. Material neutral, but the hand choose use. One raise shelter, while another bring abuse. So judge every monument by the life it defend, not merely by height or the wealth people spend. If it rise from suffering that no one has heard, touch its foundation, the stone bear word. Baseline vanish, only heartbeat remain. One saxophone cry through a corridor of pain. Listen beyond what the powerful assert. Truth may sleep low, but it lives in the earth. Brother Nahum kneel by the old boundary line. Mystic elite hum as the last light decline. Them gather no relic to decorate pride. Them honor every life history pushed aside. Let the young ones examine each pathway and wall. Ask who built destruction and who paid for it all. When falsehood grow low and the facts become blurred, shall testify for the stone bear word. Stone bear word, make the hidden truth rise, past every whitewash and official disguise. From riverbed deep to the mountain's first curve, history still living, and the stone bear word. No tongue, no ink, still the stone bear word. Water never keep one shade, yet it remembers every road. From mountain spring to open sea, it carries both blessing and warning. River leave the hillside with a silver face, slip through fern and stone at a patient pace. It pass whole village where the yam fields spread, bringing cool relief when the dry season dread. It know every footprint beside the bamboo stand, every clay pot lowered by a careful hand. When we ask where yesterday's people used to be, current circle round and the river tell we. Listen and learn, every careless deed find a way to return. From mountain source to the saltwater sea, God what gives life, that's what river tell we. River turn bitter when the factory drain, carry man's poison through provision and grain. Dead fish surface where the children once play, while wealthy men count what them profit that day. But water keep traveling beyond every fence, showing greed always carry consequence. What them throw upstream reach the poor community, muddy with warning the river tell we. Clean what you share, water belong to every life dwelling there. No gold worth more than a stream running free. Protect tomorrow, so the river tell we. prison and wash a woman's song. Earth freedom planning when the night grow long. It carry small canoe through morning mist. Cool fevered forehead with a gentle kiss. No single ruler can command where it flow. Water find passage through the valley below. Movement is strength but direction is key. Keep pressing forward so the river tell we. Current bends softly but it never lose aim. Change every corner without losing its name. Give when you're able, move when you must. Life remain healthy, true balance and trust. Brother Nahum stand where the two streams meet. Mystic Elite bring a harmony sweet. Them sing for the farmer depending upon rain, and the thirsty young roots pushing through plain. Let no future child find an empty ravine where a living blue ribbon once shimmered between. We shall guard every spring from the hill to the sea. That is the promise the river draw from we. River tell we. Now we understand water is life running through every land. Keep every source clear, let creation breathe free. We shall protect what the river give we. Flow with purpose, carry no poison. River tell we.
A number can count labor, but it cannot measure a soul. A record may lose the spelling, but memory still knows who lives. Them mark down numbers where a true name belong. Write one call line and continue them wrong. Change family spelling to suit foreign tongue. Expect every branch to forget where it sprung, but name travel safely through grandmother care. Hidden in story and evening prayer. No ledger turn yellow and old pages give. Call we with honor because we name live. We name live. It can't wash away. Carry through the night into brighter day. More than ink and the title them give. Stand with dignity because we name live. Some name come from mountain, some come from sea. Some hold the meaning of strength and liberty. Some cross the water to a mother's song, keeping one family connection strong. Every child deserves, you know, them beginning. Not just the hardship, but how them kept winning. When memory open what silence once hid, the last ones return and them names still live. We name live. When the record gone, in the work them leave, and the courage passed on. Speak every syllable, let remembrance give honor to the people whose names still live. But name alone cannot make someone great. Action determine what the year celebrate. A famous title with a dishonest heart will fade like cheap paint when the surface fall apart. Live so your name brings shelter, not fear. Bring food to the hungry and justice come near. Legacy farm through the choices we give. Good deeds are the reason a worthy name live. Farmer and healer, mason and guide. Mother protecting her children with pride. Teacher with chalk and the worker with sieve. Ordinary people make history live. Brother Nahum stand with no crown on him head, singing for the names official pages left dead. Mystic Elite raise a harmony wide, returning lost dignity no power can hide. Let every young person trace what them can, then add righteous work to the family plan. No shame in our origin, no false tale forgive. We know who we are and we name shall live. We name live, make the whole world know. bring light, some preserve warmth, and some wake a conscience sleeping too long. Through the night while cold breeze pass, one gentle breath make the whole heat bright, like buried courage returning to sight. Hard years try freeze every righteous desire, but hope keep warm round a disciplined fire. Look past the smoke, make the purpose clear. Deep in our spirit, the fire there, but it not burn blind. It light up truth in a sleeping mind. Through coldest season and hardest year, justice stay warm. Fire there. Fire there. Ooh, fire there when the workers stand tall, asking for your wages behind factory wall. Fire there on the mother who fight to keep every hungry child fed through the night. It live in the teacher with one piece of chalk, giving young minds strength for reason and talk. No weapon required, no campaign of fear. Courage in action, show the fire there, where compassion remain, turning silent sorrow into purpose again. No hate in a flame, no destruction draw near. Wisdom control it, but fire there. Without guidance can scorch friend and foe, leave barren ground where good seed should grow. So hold every flame with a conscious hand, know when fear rise and when fear reason and plan. Resistance need patience, discipline and fight. Not every load battle defend what is right. A control flame cook food for all to share, a while one only leave emptiness there. Keep the roll low, let the heartbeat decide. Remove empty rage, keep conviction inside. Truth is the lantern, love is the air. Feed righteous purpose, the fire there. Brother Nahum sing through the warm teepees. Mystic Elite answer with a harmony Chris. Them call every village for strength in them aim. Not burn down the future in yesterday's name. Build with the fire, bring darkness to end. Warm every stranger and defend every friend, till justice take root and oppression disappear. We guard the flame carefully. Fire there, make the whole land see. A flame for justice and human dignity. No hate shall command it, no tyrant come near. Truth keep it burning, and fire there. Warm for the weary, light for the poor. Fire there.
Get to carry the question. Fund the whole the pathway. Bass drum touch the earth. and every listening heart become part of the reasoning.
From the belly of land, calling every neighbor without lifting a hand. No written invitation, no speech from the street. Heart know the signal when Naya drum speak. Naya drum speak. Heart answer low. From the old part where the ketty must go. From elder hand to the young one's feet. One pulse gather we when Naya drum speak. Man enter him title, stay outside. Poor woman enter with her dignity and pride. Farmer and mason sit shoulder to shoulder. Young ones learn rhythm from somebody older. No front row privilege, no purchase seat. Every soul equal round the heartbeat. Difference grows smaller when the circle complete. Many separate lives, hear the Naya drum speak. Bring the people near. No vice too humble and no heart disappear. And join on where the three drums meet. Community rise when Naya drums speak. This is not noise made for vanity show. Every sacred pattern of a purpose we know. Approach with respect, leave mockery behind. Rhythm need discipline in a body and mind. Drummer must listen before him take lead. Serve every gathering instead of him greed. Power without patience make the message incomplete. Humility guide when the Naya drum speak. Get the ox quickly, fund the reply. Yes, drum anchor the earth and sky. Breath move together, division get weak. Silence it's selfless when Naya drum speak. Brother Nahum chant as the moon climb high. Mystic Elite send the answer nearby. No electric splendor, no glittering stage. Just skin, wood and wisdom past stage after age. Let every generation protect what them receive. Add them one heartbeat without making tradition leave. Till dawn touch the hillside and night retreat. The circle stays strong while Naya drum speak. Naya drum speak, make the whole earth hear. Unity stronger when the purpose stay clear. Elder and young stand firm on them feet. One heart, one circle. Naya drum speak. Get funded. Place. The reasoning continues. Zinc may rust, Every mark around an old family yard, all a piece of somebody's journey. Pencil line remain on the doorway frame, show every picnic rise beside them name. Black pot mark dark underneath the shed, where one small meal make sure 10 people fed. Washed on smooth from the years of use, mango limb bend where the rope swing loose. Nothing look royal, nothing dress in glory, yet every humble corner make the yard keep story. Yard keep story in a board and stone. Every small mark show people make home. Long after footsteps cross over the sea, yard keep story for the whole family. Sunday shirt dry on the fence line wire. Neighbor bring coal when another lose fire. School book open pan a wooden chair. Older child teaching when no tutor was there. Rain beats sink with a restless song. Bucket catch water before it reach ground. True birth and farewell, true worry and glory. Ordinary life make the yard keep story. Yard keep story, true laughter and strain. Summer dust rise in a long season rain. Every old doorway hold a memory. Yard keep story for the community. Now survey mark red on the breadfruit tree. New road coming where the old yard be. Machine operator only see board and clay, not the lives that were shaping of that passageway. Progress have value, but progress must learn that people need honor when old places turn. Take photograph, record every testimony. Development should never erase community. Save one door hinge, one family page. Write down the names from each passing age. A home is more than the price of its land. It holds every sacrifice made by human hand. Before the last wall disappear from sight, family gather there in a late daylight. Them share what them remember, both bitter and sweet. From the first clay stove to the last bare feet. Young ones listen and promise to carry each lesson forward wherever them tarry. Even when new concrete cover our old territory, love preserve the truth and the yard keep story. Yard keep story, make remembrance remain through changing skylines and development crane. Carry every lesson wherever you be. Yard live forever in a family memory. One doorway, 1,000 memories. Yard keep story.
Spirit is not always a shadow in darkness. Sometimes it is a lesson walking beside conscience, keeping a person steady when no living eye can see.
Night settle cool pon the hillside track. Pimento leaf move as the breeze turn back. No lantern near, yet my steps stay sure, remembering the road that the elders endure. Them patience return when me temper grow wild. Them careful instruction from when me was a child. No frightening figure hiding in a dark, just inherited wisdom making spirit walk. Spirit walk quietly beside we, not through fear, but through memory. Every righteous lesson leave a lasting mark, like on the road when the Spirit walk. Oh yeah. It live in the way that we share last breath, and honor the promise made before someone dead. It live when we refuse dishonest reward, though hunger stand waiting just outside the yard. Not every mystery require candle and smoke. Sometimes spirit living are the truthful words spoke. When kindness continue though the giver depart, them presence keep moving through our faithful hearts. Spirit walk wherever good works remain, through morning sunshine and midnight rain. No chain pon the mind, no terror in a dark. Love become footsteps when the Spirit walk. Some use ancestors fi frighten and control, placing superstition like a tax upon the soul. But I need freedom, not trembling knees. Wisdom bring clarity and put conscience at ease. Remember them struggle, examine them choice. Carry what was righteous, improve what need vice. The past is a compass, not a prison lock. It guide but the living still decide where you walk. One bass note roll through the empty space, vibe able to shimmer like remembered grace. Silence hold meaning after words depart. What people plant continues in another heart. Brother Nahum move as the first light grow. Mystic Elite come soft and low. Them sing for the nameless whose deeds still guide every honest worker with no wealth or pride. As long as compassion pass from old and to young, and truth find shelter upon another person's tongue, no worthy existence vanish in a dark. Life leave a pathway where the Spirit walk. Spirit walk, know the meaning stand clear. Not something fi worship and nothing fi fear. True justice and kindness, them finish what them start. Ancestors keep living in our conscious heart. No shadow, no fear, only memory walking. A true crown is not made from gold. It is shaped through discipline, held in place by humility, and recognized through righteous action. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No gemstone glitter upon the righteous head, no velvet chair and no silk sheet bed. Still dignity shine through the clothes them wear, because honest living put a brightness there. Them bow before Jah, but no bully or fraud. Them walk without hatred and labor hard. When truth form the base and love build the wall. Star may shake it, but the crown can't fall. Crown can't fall when it rests on truth. No thief can take what Jah plant in you. spreading throughout them land. Them demand respect through soldier and gate, while pride turn justice into cruelty and hate. A title cannot purify a dishonest soul, and wealth cannot hide when corruption take hold. When people rise up at the trumpet call, false throne tremble and false crown fall. Crown can't fall when compassion lead, when power serve people instead of greed. No empty title can stand so tall. Jaguar the humble, crown can't fall. Every shirt that you own, but poverty never make a spirit unknown. Keep your word clean when temptation arrive. Share what you have so another survive. Never measure value by the coins in a hand. Measure it by justice and the courage to stand. Self-respect stronger than a palace wall. Hold to your principles and the crown can't fall. Brass rise high but the head remain low. Deepest river never boast how it flow. Authority without service is empty display. Humility keeps righteous power from decay. Brother, Brother Nahum sing as the ants proclaim. Mystic Elite lift Jah's holy name. Them call every leader fi examine them role. Protect everybody and uplift every soul. No crown for oppression, no praise for control. Only faithful service can make a ruler hold till justice run freely and truth govern all. We got spiritual dignity, the crown can't fall. Crown can't fall. Make the nations understand true royalty living at the righteous woman and man. Faith as the foundation, Jah above all. Walk good forever and the crown can't fall. No gold required, no throne required. Dignity is the crown.
A tribe is not a fence built against another people. It is a circle of responsibility. Every hand bringing something, and no neighbor abandoned outside.
Morning fine, the roadway broken again. School roof leaking from the overnight rain. Council send promise, but no worker arrive. So the people gather and decide fi organize. Carpenter bring hammer, mason bring lime, farmer send provision, so the crew can dine. No hero on pedestal, no boss dressed up. Every useful land make the tribe rise up. The tribe rise up, shoulder to shoulder. Young bring vision, experience make it stronger. Nobody forgotten and no vice lock up. Work as one and make the tribe rise up. One small partner plan, help a market stall grow. Community garden, feed the land below. Teacher give an hour when the school bell done. Helping every struggling child, I'll understand. Mechanic fix bicycle without charging full pay. Nurse check the elders at the end of the day.
matter which parish or family you claim, which language you speak, or how you praise Jah's name. If justice guide you and your heart stay clean, there is room in the circle and work in between. Unity is wider than complexion or class. Prejudice is baggage that the future must pass. No hatred in a banner and no door shut up. Humanity first when the tribe rise up. Clap one time for the hands that build. Step in rhythm till the empty space fill. Strength multiply when resources link. Reason together then act what you think. Brother Nahum lead, no parade for fame. Him stand with the people and shoulder the same. Mystic elite, let the harmony roll. But music alone cannot repair every hole. So them carry ball, them distribute grain, then sing while them labor through afternoon rain. When service replace every speech corrupt, hope become visible and the tribe rise up. Make cooperation reign, turn shared struggle to collective gain. From yard to the hillside, no giving up. One heart, many hands, make the tribe rise up. No savior coming, we have each other. Tribe rise up, tribe rise up.
Babylon does not fear empty noise. Babylon fears people who read the contract, remember the evidence, and organize without turning against each other. Babylon afraid when the worker check pay, count every hour and question delay. Babylon afraid when the tenant no law and challenge every crooked notice pando. Afraid when the farmer understand true price, refuse middleman robbery dressed up nice. No stone in a hand and no reckless raid. Knowledge with discipline make Babylon afraid. Babylon afraid when the people unite, when truth walk broad in a full daylight. Organized and conscious, no mind getting swayed. Stand firm together and Babylon afraid. Them spread little rumor fi divide neighbor trust. Turn poor against poor while them profit adjust. Them use party color, complexion and name to keep every sufferer inside the same game. But when lane join lane and the district agree, them frightened by peaceful solidarity. Every old division carefully weighed, unity exposed. Why Babylon afraid? Babylon afraid when division get weak, when ordinary people find courage to speak. Facts on the table and decisions well made. Clear-minded action make Babylon afraid. Babylon afraid. Babylon love hunger when it's scatter without aim, because broken sharp window can distract from them shame. Them photograph chaos, then ignore every cause, using public confusion fi strengthen bad laws. So move with intention, protect every life. Never let them agent turn the march into strife. Calm organization is a sharpened blade, not violence but focus make Babylon and school leaders accountable under the same public rule. No throne getting burned, no innocent harm, just communities informed, united and calm. When justice become more than a promise delayed, Babylon lose power and Babylon afraid. Babylon afraid, make the truth circulate. Educate the people before it get late. No hatred, no panic, no conscience betrayed. United in justice, Babylon afraid. Organize, Babylon afraid.
If Zion only exists beyond the horizon, people may neglect the ground beneath them feet. Zion begin wherever justice, compassion, and clean-hearted living meet. Zion in a we, when the hungry get fed, when neighbor find shelter and the lonely find friend, when strength protect weakness instead of take control, and truth become medicine restoring the soul. No golden payment needed under we feet, just honest intention in every person we meet. Jah plant the pattern where no eye can see, live it through action for Zion in a we. Zion in a we, when love govern deed, when enough become enough and every neighbor feed. Not only tomorrow beyond cloud and sky, build it right your soul for Zion in a we. Some sing long praises, then exploit them crew. Speak about righteousness, but them action untrue. Them wear sacred colors like a garment of fame, while pride and corruption bring disgrace to Jah's name. Faith without justice is an unfinished song, a beautiful chorus with the meaning gone wrong. Let worship bear fruit that the suffering can see. Mercy in practice, prove Zion in a we. Zion in a we, when the heart stay clean, when words and behavior carry one meaning. No empty appearance and no spiritual lie. Truth in a living, show Zion in a we. Oh yeah. Zion is peace, but not silence through fear. It speak when oppression and cruelty appear. It forgive where repentance make honest repair, yet never calling justice a burden fi bear. It discipline anger and humble the proud, give courage to stand without following crowd. Our conscience at rest is our soul moving free. Jah's righteous kingdom start inside of we. We are no fall silent, let the voices combine. Many different journeys, one purpose divine. No border can hold it, no wealth can buy. Zion grow within, when selfishness die. Brother Nahum sing as the sunrise expand. Mystic Elite clap and the whole gathering stand. Ancestors planted through difficult years, watering hope with them labor and tears. Now we must continue, make the promise complete. Bring justice to workplace, home and street, till love shape the future every young eye see. We build with clean hands, because Zion in a we. Zion in a we, make the whole earth know. Zion in a we. Within the heart, shone through the hands. Zion in a we.
One voice rise from a distant ridge, another hill receded. Carry it farther, and soon the whole landscape become a messenger.
Shadows stretch to the valley top.
Farmer lifted when a horn note fly.
Sun cross ravine without touching the sky. One ancient melody returned from afar, roughened by distance but keeping its heart. Every high rock and green windowsill, catch and release it on Echo Panel. Echo Panel carry far and wide, one voice call and the whole ridge reply. Words may soften but the meaning stands still. Ancestral message in a Echo Panel. Draw near, tell neighboring village when the pathway clear. Song carry news when no postman reach. Turn distant community into one shared speech. Before wire stretch and transmit or grow, people use landscape to send what they know. Mountain become instrument, valley become quill. History travel to an Echo Panel. Echo Panel move from place into place, carry one in remembrance and grace. From the first clear call to the last note shrill, community answer the Echo Panel. But every repeated word is not always true. Rumor gain color as it pass between crew. A whisper leave yard as a harmless mistake, return like thunder with a false claim in its wake. So search for the source before judgment begin. Test what you hear before passing it in. Truth need clear purpose and responsible will. Not every loud sound deserve Echo Panel. Horn call once, let the silence respond. Distance reveal what is weak and what's strong. A truthful message lose nothing through time. Falsehood collapse when examined line by line. Brother Nahum stand where the ridge bend high. Mystic elites and a harmony reply. Them sing ancestral wisdom with a modern concern. Carry truth forward but question what you learn. Let justice be the message each generation fulfill. Compassion the answer, moving hill after hill, till every divided community stands still and hear one another through the Echo Panel. Echo Panel. Echo Panel make the righteous word fly from valley below to the cloud passing by. Truth as the message, united goodwill. Ancestral echoes living upon every hill. One call, many Dawn does not erase what happened in darkness. It simply reveals who remained standing, who protected another life, and who is ready to continue the work. Long night lean heavy upon Bordeaux's roof. Rain find every weak spot and expose every truth. One mother stay waking where her sick child lay. One farmer guard seedlings from washing away. One nurse walk home when the street lamp dim. One fisherman prepare before daylight begin. Tired eyes lift when the black sky flee. Still pon them feet when the dawn find we. Dawn find we weary, but ready to move. Hands full of labor and a purpose to prove. Light show the scars, yet the spirit stay free. Still standing firm when the dawn find we. Neighbor bring dry cloth and a warm cup share. Repair broken shutter with whatever was there. Nobody have plenty but them divide the small, making human kindness feel greater than all. Night try isolate every household in fear, but one voice checking make the whole lane draw near. When first golden line touch the breadfruit tree, community remain and the dawn find we. Dawn find we gathered, no soul left alone, turning scattered pieces into something like home. No miracle falling from cloud or sea. Love doing the work when the dawn find we. Morning is promise, but promise need and sunrise alone cannot cultivate land. Daylight reveal every gutter still black, every hungry family and schoolroom locked. So celebrate gently, then return to the plan. Hope without labor cannot fully stand. New day bring opportunity, not victory their guarantee. Dawn give division, but action plant seed. Muted horn rise like a bird over hill. One patient note through the morning air still. Yesterday wounded, but tomorrow can be shaped by the choices. Daylight, help we see. Ancestors endured many nights without end, leaving strength for descendants them never could meet. Now we carry on what with a duty we fulfill, building safer pathways beyond every hill. Brother Nahum sing as the harmony climb. Mystic elite lift the chorus through time. From those gone before to the children yet free, one continuous line standing where dawn find we. Dawn find we stronger, prepared to begin, not tied in the losses and not yielding to them.
Inheritance is not a monument we stare upon. It is a tool placed in a living hands. What the ancestors begin, each generation must continue with wisdom.
Calabash dry story without ending and question asking why. Pathway of care through the Guinea grass field, truth partly hidden and wounds partly healed. Them never leave perfection wrapped neatly in gold. Them leave courage, warning and responsibility to hold. So honor is not merely repeating an old song. Take the work forward for the legacy not done. Legacy not done, the work carry on. Every new morning add a verse to the song. From ancestor call to the child yet come, pass truth forward, legacy no done. Legacy no done. Oh, legacy no done. Preserve every root but let new branches grow. Culture need movement or it cease to flow. Young hands may shape what the old hands begin. Add in fresh windows while the foundation remain. Never lack tradition in a cabinet of pride. Bring it into daylight where the people reside. Keep what is righteous, correct what was wrong. Growth give it life for the legacy no done. Legacy no done when the old vice faded. Live through the choices new generations make. Protect every lesson but continue beyond. Build something worthy for the legacy no done. Hey. A yard full of stories or a bulldoze base. A truthful history or convenient disgrace. Will them receive courage or division and death? Will them know the names that the records forget? Tomorrow take shape to what we do before dawn. Future judge we clearly and the legacy not done. Jump still member on the river tell we. Stone bear word while Zion living are we. Spirit walk near and the tribe rise strong. Dawn fine we ready, the work carry on. Rise high, Mystic Elite send the final reply. 20 roots messages gathered as one. Not a closing chapter but a task just begun. Let every listener carry one truth from the sound. Plant it through service in a them on piece of ground. When this tape fade out, let righteous action come. The album may finish but the legacy not done. Legacy not done, make the whole earth know. From ancestral